Did you know that you can use your itemized price list template right in GoodNotes? Yep, well, you can. So go to Canva, then you're going to want to find your template in your files. Once you figure out which one you want to download, go to that download arrow up there, and you're going to choose PDF standard from the drop down. Pick the page you want to download, click done, then go ahead and tap that download button. It will automatically start downloading. Now, head on over to GoodNotes and click import. The template should have automatically saved to a Canva folder. Now, if you have the Canva app and you are on an iDevice, it should automatically create this folder, but I do not work for Apple, so I'm just telling you how it should work. Now, it's going to automatically pull up in GoodNotes and you can just immediately start writing on it. You don't even need to enable anything or do anything funny. Just start writing on it either with your finger or your Apple Pencil or any other kind of stylus. And you'll just check off stuff like normal as if this was a piece of paper. And then you'll add everything up at the end. And then I'm going to show you how you can share this with your client. Okay, so to share it with your client, you're going to go to that share arrow up there and tap export this page. Then you're going to tap the middle where it says image, and then you're going to either choose your options or go straight into the little export button right up there in the top right. Then all your options will pop up. You can do this in a whole bunch of different ways. So you can either text it, you can also do the same thing again and choose image, and then you can email it. Or you can say, never mind that, this person is using an Apple device too. Let me just airdrop it. So you could do the same thing, airdrop that. You also can send it via any of these other apps that are down at the bottom. So just scroll and see which ones are available, or go and edit your options to see which apps you want to include. So it doesn't matter. However you want to send it, there's like 10, 12 different ways to send it. Did you know that the Google Sheets version, you can also open this up in GoodNotes? Well, yeah, you can. So go over to Google Sheets, find your itemized price list template. You're going to navigate to that bottom tab that says printable template, that one right there. Then you're going to go over to share and export. So that's like down, just go down to share and export. Then you're going to tap on send a copy. So go ahead and tap send a copy. It's going to ask you, do you want to do PDF or Excel? It's going to prepare it, and then it's going to save it to your files automatically if you're on an Apple device. Again, I do not work for Apple. They don't pay me. So if it doesn't work like this on your device, talk to Apple. So save it to your files, or if you just want to make it easier on yourself, you can actually share it again as a PDF. And when it pops up like this, scroll over and find GoodNotes in your list and then tap it. It opens it up right in GoodNotes. It's going to ask you, do you want to import it to the current document or start a new document? Choose whichever one you want. It's going to actually import all 4 of the pages. If you buy the template, you do get instructions on how to download just one of the pages. So yeah, it'll open it right up, and this is just a different design. It will not do the math for you in GoodNotes. You will need to use it in Google Sheets if you wanted to do the math. But if you just like the way this layout looks a little better, you can totally use the one in Excel or Google Sheets. And that's it. And if you want to get this, if you haven't already, brand